Otter Pops emerged as a go-to option during sweltering summer days, celebrated for their vibrant flavors and playful packaging. Their easy-to-enjoy format made them a quintessential picnic delight. Country Time Lemonade has stood the test of time as a summer classic since its debut in 1975. Over the years, it has introduced new flavors and convenient options, evoking cherished memories of outdoor play. In the 1980s, Jell-O pudding pops gained immense popularity, largely due to memorable advertisements featuring Bill Cosby. Their creamy texture and convenient shape made them a favorite among frozen treats. The Klondike bar originated in the early 1920s, crafted by the Islay Dairy Company in Ohio. This iconic treat was named after the famed Klondike River, which symbolized the gold rush era. Henry Clark significantly contributed to Klondike bar's success, boosting sales from $800,000 to over $60 million. His innovative marketing strategies solidified the brand's presence across the United States. Despite competitors' attempts to replicate Klondike bars, legal protections maintained their unique identity. This ensured that Klondike bars secured a strong foothold in the frozen treat market. Frank Epperson's invention of the popsicle in 1905 marked a pivotal moment in frozen desserts, leading to its widespread acclaim. Originally named Epix, this treat evolved into the beloved popsicle we know today. Harry Burt's Good Humor ice cream bars debuted a chocolate-coated ice cream treat in the 1920s, becoming emblematic of American culture. The catchy jingle and ice cream trucks became synonymous with the joy of summer. The Fudgsicle's introduction in 1946 broadened the variety of popsicle products and quickly became a summer favorite for children. Its rich chocolate flavor and creamy texture established it as a timeless classic. The evolution of summer treats, such as ambrosia salad and gazpacho, underscores the significance of seasonal flavors and the joy of sharing food at warm weather gatherings and picnics. Gazpacho offers a refreshing summer option as a chilled Spanish tomato soup, boasting a vibrant taste and rich history that dates back to Roman times. Its traditional components include tomatoes, cucumbers, and olive oil. Invented in 1897, Jell-O revolutionized desserts with its simple preparation and vibrant colors, quickly becoming a cultural icon that evokes family fun and culinary creativity. Rainbow Sherbet's colorful blend of flavors, including orange, lime, and raspberry, created a delightful sensory experience. It became a popular dessert choice at gatherings and picnics. However, this treat melted faster than ice cream, often transforming into a colorful puddle if not consumed quickly. This characteristic set Rainbow Sherbet apart from traditional ice cream desserts. As culinary tastes evolved, the popularity of Rainbow Sherbet waned, making way for ice cream and frozen yogurt. This shift left many with nostalgic memories of this once favored treat. Flavor Ice emerged as a colorful, mess-free treat that allowed children to cool off easily after outdoor play. Its variety of flavors delighted young taste buds. Lipton iced tea became a summer staple, offering a refreshing alternative with its simple preparation. The pairing of tea and lemon flavor garnered particular popularity. Lastly, cucumber and onion salad emerged as a classic summer dish, providing a refreshing counterpoint to the season's heat. Made with simple ingredients, it encapsulated the essence of nostalgic family gatherings.